Fans watched our renovation video, Hot Blood. Just take 3,000 yuan, 29 the two broken Audi A6. It is required that the old debt must be taken after the renovation. This broken car is no different from scrap metal now. See how we turn stone into gold. Let him be reborn from the scrap metal to a classic. Brothers come.
Old-fashioned guy. Take off your alcohol field armor first.
Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credit,
want you, baby.
Convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get
Wanna
some
stand
power.
till you
Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
It seems that this time I can see it as well as you.
Disassembled like this, even the engine has to sing. Having the courage to instruct to act is the answer.
Continue to lift the engine chassis all the way.
Leak anywhere. Steering machine leaks oil, warm air, pipe leaks antifreeze. Continue to dismantle. The rear bridge is also lifted steadily. Refurbishment is also essential.
Engine break up and restructure. Just replace the conformation and recalibrate it. See what is professional. Power pump oil leakage. How many caddies do you think these greasy are? There are also two tails of carbon deposits in this air intake replica. Even the line of fire can burn like this. All sludge. Car owners save oil money. Height costs the life of the engine. In-cylinder grinding loss aid can only just go big. All parts are cleaned by a set of ultrasonic waves first. High-precision numerical control soup tank machine arrangement. Here edge 1 mm. Automatic correction inside. Automatic correction of steel cylinder. Just started. Precise hit. Aisle meter measures cylinder roundness. Put in the heated box. Overjoy. Over you. Overnight girl, that's what you do.
缸内2次矫正。
And per time Mogan restored the original reticulated pattern. All accessories are ready. One hit. Start assembly. You will too. Original cattle neck bolt. Test crankshaft smoothness. I'm trying to beat, I can't. The big school bag must be made from the original factory. Test piston airtight. Start chassis disassembly. Start chassis blasting. Sandblasting. It's rusty. Full of appearance. Enough. You can fix it without changing it. Pay attention to cost performance. Fill in the car and replace all the sets with new ones. Glues together, perfect solution. Do you think this is the end? We can't be vague about anti-rust paint. Are you satisfied with the renovation to its current state? The front and rear axles are assembled according to the original data. My heart. Thread glue should be applied in place. Details cannot be missed. Shock absorption has no damping at all. A must-change fix. The last empty gun produces wax. We have to do it thoroughly to prevent internal corrosion and rust in the later stage. Next up, some textures are very alive. Exhaust pipe, pickling and rust removal. Remember to wear a mask. Fall in love. Do fall in love. Do. You fall in love, do fall in love. Spray up the plate and start the show.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want sunshine and the rain. Sunshine and the rain.
The old car is also a headache specialist. Take advantage of the sound insulation of the whole car. This was organized for him. Last step, chassis armor. Chassis cleaning. The line to be protected is wrapped. Spray 3 layers of rust-proof and scratch-proof armor on key parts. Completely strengthen the chassis of the old car. The interior is also ready to look new, from seat to ceiling. Say goodbye to wear and tear. Reload start tank. Rear axle engine on board. This technique, this speed. Loading the car has to be so quick. Worry about completion.
Feature film starts.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always
Refurbished to this effect. If you were my husband, can it be taken down?
So descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting